Everybody's chasing the next big meme coin, hoping to strike gold, but here's the truth that nobody wants to admit. Most of them are going to zero, and while 99% of people get wrecked, a tiny group of traders are flipping small bags into life-changing money. This year, I turned $100 into $10,000 trading meme coins, and it wasn't just luck. It wasn't gambling. It was all about understanding one thing: how hype actually works. You'll see screenshots of people making $200,000 overnight, and you'll think you're missing out. But the real opportunity isn't where everybody's looking. It's hidden in the patterns that almost nobody's paying attention to. Stay locked in, because in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to spot those plays before the crowd and how you can flip the script in 2025 instead of being the exit liquidity. Let's dive straight into the video. Like and subscribe. The most important aspect of meme coin trading is risk management. And there's a really key way that right now we can use to shift the risk in our favor and have major rewards, because 90% of traders are losing in the market, not because they don't have a great strategy that they can use, but because they don't understand risk management. They're over leveraging and they're over trading. They're not using the right position size, taking trades with too much size, leading to overall risk of ruin over time. Whereas the strategy that I'm going to be showing you in today's video takes advantage of risk management and the current hype and the overall trend for 90% of a lot of these coins. So let's go over initially some of these celebrity coins. We can begin here with YZY. This was a coin that only just came out, and look, it peaked at over 3 billion market cap. Look at the current price. We're down over 85% from its high. The overall strategy right here was taking advantage of Axiom Pro and using their perpetuals tab. Overall, you can begin and actually short meme coins right now. That is the biggest alpha in 90% of these meme coins. Make sure to use the link for Axiom in this video description. You get 10% off all of your meme coin trading fees, and you'll be boosted up to a higher tier, a higher rewards tier by using that link. Let's go over the next coin. You can even go over Gork, which was out about 4 months ago. The overall top of the market cap capped out close to 100 million. Look, we're down 90%. We're sitting at just below 10 million market cap. The best opportunity here was taking advantage of the perpetuals, taking advantage of shorting, because you would know that right here, if you wanted to short meme coins in the normal decentralized exchange way, you're not able to short. You're only able to buy into the meme coin and then eventually sell out when you choose. You're not able to take advantage of a downtrending meme coin until now. That's why Axiom, with this perpetuals tab, now allows you can see with a lot of these meme coins. Let's just go over one here. Let's just use Fartcoin for an example. But here we can see short. We can sell an asset and profit when the price goes down. So we're able to take advantage if we believe there's going to be a strong downwards trend. Now, this is also where risk management plays a major key role, because a lot of times people are over leveraging. They'll come in with 10x leverage, whereas here I'm using 2x, maybe 3 or 4x, but never going more than 5x leverage. Otherwise, I'll be increasing my risk without really adjusting for that reward in the long term, because I might have one super profitable trade, but if I do have a quick swing of 1 or 2 or even 3 losses, if you're over leverage, you're not able to actually sustain those losses. Whereas I know my strategy is really profitable in the long term, and if I have 1, 2 or 3 losses, that's fine, because I know in the future I'm going to have 5, 6 or even 7 wins in a row. But I do need to be able to sustain that small downtrend if I do have just a couple of trades against me. So the overall hype in a lot of these meme coins truly is in the downtrend. Even let's go over here. The Trump meme coin that launched a few months ago, this capped out at 25 billion market cap. It's sitting at 8.4 billion. This initial pump in the overall meme coin really captured a lot of traders. So, okay, we're going to 100 billion market cap. Everybody's entering in here, and then the overall major liquidity is pumping this coin to the downside. And if you were short, you could have taken major advantage of that, because really all these coins are built on hype. And we're not able to sustain the volume to keep these coins continuously pumping one after another. You'll see that over periods of time, what we'll do is over a month or two, that's when we'll have launches that are more spread out, because really what the market is waiting for is more liquidity, because they'll pump a lot of liquidity out of Trump coin. Then they need to wait a month for overall balances to build up, and then they'll swipe it again and come in with the next major launch. Basically, we just saw the same thing just happen with the YZY coin. It's captured everybody, and everybody thinks it's going to 10 billion, even 5 billion, and then now we're sitting at 400 million market cap. Overall, I'm still majorly bullish in overall crypto and overall meme coins, but you have to understand that there is a major majority of coins that we can look for that downtrending hype. Overall, I'm not saying that Fartcoin is one of those opportunities, because it is one of those major large cap coins, has a huge narrative, and it also has a huge community behind it that know about Fartcoin. But these new coin launches that are just launching, we can really take advantage of the entry liquidity, because people see that hype. They see the news, oh, this new coin is launching, YZY, Kanye West, this, that, and the rest. And then from that, we're able to use that hype from the news, because people are pumping the coin, and use that volume to actually enter into our short trade. Because without that hype and without all of those people now hearing about the coin, there's going to be no volume for the people to be able to take a short trade. Now, how shorting actually works is when we do take a short, we're borrowing the asset, we're instantly selling it at market value, and then what we're waiting for is a drop in price. Because what happens if we get a drop in price? We can now buy the same amount of shares for a lesser price, because all the broker wants is the amount of shares that we borrowed. So if we can get those shares for, let's say, an example on Fartcoin at 70 cents, we can take that 10-cent difference and actually profit using short trading. Now, we also have other advantages here where we can use limit orders. So we can set limit orders in the market where we believe there is liquidity pools to actually capture. So let's say I was to come over here and actually let's look for Trump coin. We can see we do have the opportunity to short Trump coin. What I'd be looking for is high liquidity levels where I'm seeing that price is really struggling to push above. This is something that I go through in my YouTube videos and course, but we'll save that for another video. Another thing that's very important when we are trading perpetuals is this overall order book, because we're able to see how much liquidity is available in the market. Let's see right here, we can sell. We can see if we were going to buy in the market, we'd be needing to buy off of the order book that has their limit orders set as a sell. And right now we can see this first order value is $251. We actually just changed to 1,000, then 1,000, 3,000, up to 12,000. So we need to ensure that there is enough liquidity when we are trading a lot of these meme coins, because let's say that there was only $500 in liquidity with some of these meme coins, they really wouldn't be tradable, especially when you're coming over here and using leverage. Let's say you entered in for $500, you use 3x leverage, so you're actually entering in for $1,500. You need to ensure there is enough liquidity and there's enough order book open interest to be able to take that trade. You can confirm a lot of this information when we click on this top left section. And actually, when we're scrolling through, it's basically filtering by 24-hour volume. So these are the lowest coins with 24-hour volume. Some of them only having $10,000 or even $30,000, which is extremely low when we compare it to something like the Solana, Bitcoin, and Ethereum market, where there's multiple billions to tens of billions of dollars in volume throughout all of them combined. Let's even take a look at arguably the biggest meme coin in the market, Dogecoin. Even Dogecoin right now is struggling to surpass its old all-time high that happened in the 2021 bull market. We're seeing that a lot of meme coins are really dying out over the long term. And we're seeing, as much as there's major community sentiment, very, very bullish around Dogecoin, it's very, very much struggling and overall less than 50% of its old all-time high price. From a risk-reward perspective, it's very, very clear that shorting these meme coins is the best risk play. We can use a very small stop loss and look for very strong swings. A lot of these meme coins here, even Chill Guy, down absolutely huge, but really what we would look for is areas of liquidity where price is struggling to bounce through. And now I'm always teaching and going through my support to resistance strategy. So actually one of the areas that I would really look for potential short-term short, somewhere around this 50 million market cap level, only because there is quite a bit of liquidity. But then we would need to move down on a shorter term time frame. And then I would also add in my favorite indicator, come in at the EMA, exponential moving average. Ensure that that's actually selected and set to 20. So I'd come down on the chart, double click on the EMA, ensure the input is set to 20. And then I'm only ever trading in the direction of the trend of the EMA. So what I would wait for on the 24-hour time frame is price to then come into this area. And then I would be on the 30-minute time frame once price is in this area, looking for the overall exponential moving average to have a negative slope. Negative slope mean down to the right. That's where I'd be looking for overall shorts. If you do want to see this strategy, my short-term meme coin strategy, leave a comment and I can make that my next YouTube video. This is one of the strategies that I've used to be super profitable trading meme coins. A lot of people have been stuck only buying meme coins where there's still a lot of opportunities to take huge risk to rewards plays to the downside. Again, I'm still expecting a major bull run in the overall crypto bull market over these next few months, but there's major short-term opportunities in shorting these meme coins, especially when you come down to this Axiom market lighthouse and you confirm a lot of these statistics. Like here, there's 40,000 created meme coins and less than 1%, less than 400 of them have actually migrated. Overall, a lot of them are just slightly pumping and then having a major dump. Now, we're not able to short those super short low cap meme coins because they're not actually available on the perpetuals. You obviously need a lot of volume. When you come over to the perpetuals tab, you see that the order book is quite full with overall orders and trades coming through. So overall, you will need a coin that's hit, tens of millions to if not hundreds of millions in market cap before it is able to be traded on this perpetuals tab. If you do want to see more of my actual trading short-term strategy, then leave a comment and we'll dive into that further into the next video. If you have enjoyed, smash the like and subscribe because I'll see you in the next one.